You took that out of my hand. Just wait. 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 The three of you. Miss V, Mr. Oscar, Mr. Hugo, and Miss V, and Mr. Oscar.
Hugo.
Watch my fingers. All right, Miss Hugo. Mr. Hugo, yes, okay. Step back, Hugo, back. No, feet. Good boy, Hugo, you step back. And you're next, and you're next, and look at all the food on the floor, guys, you can see that. And you, thank you, you got it?
No, it dropped on the
Miss
floor.
V, here baby, hello.
She's trying to get the stuff off the floor.
And Miss V. And Mr. Oscar.
When's Athena coming home?
Athena doesn't love you. She doesn't want to come home. I don't know, she's with Amy, they're going to play